Welcome to Valhalla.
Oi. Made it to the beach. It's looking pretty good, pretty moody. James has come too.
I'm gonna go fishing. I'm gonna go wet the line. Catch us a monster. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like she's a monster. It'd be embarrassing if it was just some cabbage. Or nothing. I mean, that would be really embarrassing. Oh, what do we got? Oh, little baby shovel nose. Don't worry, buddy, we'll get you back in the water. There we go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, little baby shovel nose. We'll get him back in the water quickly.
What time are we going to be here tomorrow morning?
Same time as the fish.
We're heading down to the beach. It's a pretty crisp morning. Got up to make the sunrise. Yeah, it's looking like a ripper day. Should be able to set up just on sunrise and get some baits out there.
I'm gonna unpack the car, it's gonna take the gear down to the beach and catch some fish.
Pitch grass. Maybe like 100 meters out.
Welcome to Valhalla.
It's pretty damn nice. Just put the drone up. Looking pretty good. Getting some nice shots of the sunrise.
We're just rigging up the rods. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I don't think we have a sand spike for the fifth. 2 egg beaters on beach rods, and then 2 electric reels. One on a 10-foot and one on a 7-foot, which is the game rod, which is hopefully going to catch us something ginormous. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on, we'll let the bait swing.
Dolphins. Fishing was okay, wasn't desirable. We got a few sharks and a ray, the desirable catches, but we are heading to the other end of the beach now to film some long form stuff. We're gonna do a video showing off how the AI tracking works, which would be pretty cool. So yeah, just getting ready for that. Just driving on the beach, which will be fun. And yeah, stay tuned.
James, hooning in front. We're literally hands-free right now. Drone's doing an orbit around James's car, as you can see.
We've caught basically 2 sharks that are masquerading as stealing. Put this little one back. Cruising at a steady 0.5 psi an hour.
Eventful filming session. Great tracking, amazing tracking. Got some pretty killer shots. The fishing wasn't great, but we got what we came for.
Orbited the car like the full orbit the Earth. Rock solid.
Alright, so that's a wrap, guys. We're back now. We had an awesome trip. So we're up there to film some content, primarily the active track video where we were filming the cars. Should be out by the time you watch this video, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Fishing wasn't great, but it was great to be outside, get some lines in the water. We'll be on to some bigger fish next time, I think. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next one.